Hello again. My name is Yuji Otsuka from Senior Exam. How are you? So today I'd like you to make a very simple teaching materials. It's a charcoal batteries. Usually we use uh, this kind of dry cell to produce electricity. But today we are using charcoal. Okay? So please look at this picture. Okay, can you see? So today we are using charcoal. Actually, this is not a charcoal, but I later explain this part. Charcoal and the aluminum can. Then there's water. This is the salt water. With these materials, we can make batteries. Okay. If we connect to the this kind of device, motor or some electrical organ, we can this device are working with the electricity. Okay. Then usually in Japan, we are using charcoal names a little special one, Bincho charcoal. Normal charcoal, in the case of normal charcoal, we are burning oak tree at temperature lower 800 degrees. It's a normal charcoal. But Bincho charcoal, a little special one, a little higher grade charcoal. We are burning oak tree more than 800 degrees to 1,200 degrees. Why we use this kind of Bincho charcoal? We are keeping heat for a long time. So that's why we are using this charcoal for satay or barbecue. Okay. Then this time when I coming to Malaysia from Japan, I try to bring this charcoal and get on that airplane, but I'm not allowed. I was not allowed to bring this charcoal. It's a kind of dangerous materials for them. Actually, it's not so dangerous, but it's not good for airplane. So I was confused a lot, but I never give up. So a very good idea hit on me. It's this one. Inside of the charcoal, inside of the dry cell, we have carbon stick inside. Have you ever opened up dry cell? Okay. Also, most outside, we have a metal case that remove. Please remove. Then this vinyl cover, please remove. Then next, this is the metal case. It's a metal zinc. Then this is also very useful materials. Then if you cut it, then open, then spread, we can get this very useful zinc plate. I try to use this one for another type of batteries next time. It's a lime battery. Okay, so today just keep it. Then inside of the dry cell, can you see? This is a zinc metal, and can you see the black powder? It's a mangan dioxide soaked with strong acid. Then just at the center of the dry cell, can you see? This is a black bar. It's a carbon bar, carbon stick. Then I'm using this carbon stick instead of the real charcoal. Okay, this is a kind of waste materials. Okay, so I prepare this carbon stick. Then I prepare aluminum can, cut off the top part. Then this edge is very sharp, so very dangerous for students. So I covered with a cross tape, except for only one part. Later, we are connected to the wire to this position, like this. Okay. Then, then inside of the aluminum can, there are some coating inside. So we have to remove by sandpaper, then polish inside, polish. Then it's okay. Then please bring the water into the aluminum can. Okay. Then this is a salt, table salt. Then around 2 spoons, please put the water, 1 spoon, 2 spoons, then enough. Then stir. Okay, enough. Then I connect the carbon stick with a red wire because this carbon stick will be plastic. And later I explain why this carbon stick will be a plastic. Later I explain. Then so please connect to the red wire. Okay. Then next connect to the black wire. Connect to the aluminum can because aluminum can will be negative pole later. Later explain. Okay. Then here is a multimeter tester. Then we are going to measure the voltage of this battery. Then down to the terminal around this position, 20 maximum 20 voltage. Okay. Then please connect to the red wire to red, and the black wire to the black wire from this multimeter. Okay. Can you see? Now it's a 0.54. Usually this battery has a 1.5 voltage. So this is a little lower than normal one. So we need more batteries. So I prepare the second one. Already put the salt water inside. Then connect to the black wire. Then second carbon stick put inside. Okay. Then connect together. We know 2 ways to connect the battery. One way is a series connection. The second one is a parallel connection. We are now, we want to make a voltage higher. So which connection is better? Maybe you know. Series connection is better. So please connect to the wire minus to plus. Okay. Then black wire on the second battery to the black wire on the multimeter. Okay, so now we can get this value 1.14. It's almost double voltage, double size voltage. Okay, but still lower than normal 1.0 voltage, 1.0, oh, sorry, 1.5 voltage. Okay, so we need one more voltage. One more batteries. Okay, so I have already put the salt water inside. Then the third one, carbon stick inside. So black wire to the red wire minus 2 plus on the second battery. Then minus to the black wire minus 4 on the multimeter. So now, can you see? 0.69. Okay. So almost triple side of value of the voltage. Okay. Maybe it's enough. So today, please connect this one. This is the IC music box. This is from Verstica. Verstica is also very cheap price. Yeah. If we open, can you hear? Verstica song. Then inside, here's a IC music box. Then I took it off. Then put into the plastic bag. So this is a very useful device for the experiment. So now I connect to the red wire to the red wire to the IC music box. Then black wire connect to the black wire. Can you hear? Okay, it's working. So it means these batteries are producing electricity. With this electricity, this IC music box is working. Then we can hear some birthday song. Okay. So I want to ask you, how we can get electricity from these batteries? Okay. So look at this picture. This is the aluminum can. Then black circle is stand for aluminum atoms. Okay. Then here's a salt water. So aluminum dissolved with salt water. Then change like this. Then at this moment, 3 electrons are left on the aluminum can, like this. Then these electrons are moving to the carbon stick, like this. Then these electrons are making electricities. So electron has a negative pole, a negative charge. So it's moving from here to here. According to the definition of the electrical current, negative pole moving from here to here. So electrical current, it's a direction the opposite. So electrical current flow from here to here. So that's why carbon stick will be plus pole. Then aluminum can will be negative pole, minus pole. Okay. Then here's an electron. So on the carbon stick or inside of the carbon stick, there are many oxygen atoms, oxygen molecules, a lot. So these oxygen molecules will get this electron like this. Like this. So chemical reaction like this. Look at this chemical reaction. On the surface of the aluminum is dissolved with salt water. Then it will be aluminum ion, and the 3 electrons are left. Then this 3 electrons are moving to the carbon stick. Then on the carbon stick, it has a oxygen molecule and the water. Then it can get the electron. Then it's changed to the hydrogen oxygen ion. Okay. So reaction 1 and reaction 2 summarize. So we finally get this chemical reaction. Okay. So, but the second aluminum atoms, look at this once more, like this. Then 3 electron left. Then this electron moving like this, like this, like this. During the time this motor is rotating. Okay. Then oxygen molecules will get these electrons like this. So inside of the battery, chemical reaction is happening. Then it's called the electricity. This is the batteries. Okay, so let's go back. So now we get very useful batteries using waste materials. So carbon stick, this is a waste material. And aluminum can, this also a waste material. Okay? So please don't throw away these very useful waste materials. Please use it for science teaching. Okay. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Okay, see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.